Introducing the 2022 Seat Ateca PA 1.5 TSI 150 horsepower FR 5-door. This stunning estate in sleek grey offers powerful performance with its 1.5 litre petrol engine and manual transmission. Packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Stylish additions like roof rails and LED lights make this car stand out from the rest. Plus, with features like emergency call and anti-collision system, you'll feel secure on the road. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic offer. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.